Hello everyone and welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen. Today I'm going to make Japanese curry rice or Japanese chicken curry. This is a one-pot meal, does not require much preparation and is very easy to make. So let's get started. To prepare Japanese curry, you'll need 1 medium-sized onion thickly sliced, 1 cup of carrots cut into cubes, 1½ cup of potato cut into cubes, 400 grams of boneless chicken cut into biteable pieces, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1 packet of golden curry. There are a lot of different brands in the market, but I'm using golden curry as vegetarian option in this are available. Take a pan or a wok, add oil and fry the onions till they turn translucent. Then add the chicken and cook till the chicken is half done. Now add the carrots and potatoes and cook for a few minutes. Then add 1 liter of water and boil them for 10 minutes or till the potatoes turn soft. Then add the curry cubes directly in the pan, or you can also mix it in water in a bowl and then add to the pan. Cook for 5 minutes or till the curry becomes thick. Turn off the heat and serve them with steamed rice. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, comment, subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your family and friends.